Hey, welcome. My name's Eric. Welcome to my channel. I'm updating my video from yesterday. This will be a better video, and it's showing you a free way to use the screener on Tradingview to find good stocks to swing trade. It's 4 indicators. I use it, and it only takes me a couple minutes, and this will be a nice quick video. Let's get going. So we're on Tradingview. I got a free account, and we'll just go to it's doing it again. Here we go, products, yay, screeners, stocks. So up on this page, everything's running smoothly, great. Okay, once we get up to here, you'll see a little plus sign here. We're going to add a new filter. We're going to go down to technicals, and then we're going to go to moving average, convergence, divergence. We'll just click on that, and we'll click add the filter. Then we're going to go back up to it, and we're going to go to level crosses up signal. We'll click on that. We're done. We're down to 453. So we're going to do another one. We'll hit the plus sign. We'll go back up to technicals, and then we'll go to EMA, or exponential moving average. We'll click on that. We're going to go over here to days. It's on 50. We're going to go. We want 200, and we'll put add filter. We're going to go back here and go down, and we want it the line below the price. Okay, we're down to 186, looking good. We're going to add a new filter. We're going to now go to market data, average volume, and 30 days, add filter. And then we'll go in here. We go to manual setup, and we'll go all the way down here. We got to put in a million. We're going to put in a million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and we'll hit apply. Now we're down to 30. And if this is a good list to look at, this will be good. If you want to narrow it even more down, we can hit plus. We can go to technicals, and we can go through here to SMA, smooth moving average. And we will go to 9 and hit add filter. Then I'll come down here and go to 0 to 10, below the price, 0 to 10%. There we go. We got 20 nice ones that we can look at. 20 is a lot better than going through 400. And as you can see here, there's a strong buy meta. I like to look at the strong buys first, just to see how they're doing. And here we go. You look down the MACD, it just crossed. This is full. There's a couple full candle closes, so that may be worth looking at to swing trade. And then let's go back and look at the other one. I would look at the other one. There's another strong buy here. And you just simply click on that one, and it pops up. Here's one that maybe we didn't get the full swing. Now it's got a couple candles above, but it does have where the MACD is crossing. We got Procter & Gamble, how quick it is. I'm not even. And Procter & Gamble looks like a good one. It just went down. Let's see how much it went down right here. It went down 8%. So this would be worth the swing trade. May want it above the 200, which is the white line there. But this is a lot quicker than looking at 400 stocks. You can just go through. You can see which ones went up here. Then I'll filter through those. We got Arch Capital. Look through here. Here's a nice one, kind of swinging up. This is a nice one. I may look into more of this tomorrow. It's above the 5. I don't like the 5's pointing down, but this seems. There goes my cough. Sorry. But if you were on my video yesterday, coughing a lot, too much. But just a nice quick video. I'm at 4 minutes and 30 seconds. That took me about 2 minutes. And I think I'm just going to end it with that. So I hope you have a good day, and hit the like and subscribe button if you find any of this information useful. Thank you.